Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be adding to the thing we did last week with append. So I'll go into append now. So this is the work we did last week. So this work, the other thing, I'll just refresh you on that by running it. So here in the first line, it printed friends, which is the list by itself. Then in the second line, it printed 5 and less, which is a list with every name in the friends list with 5 characters or less. Then it's more than 5 lists got printed, which is the things from friends that is more than 5 characters. So now I will be adding to that in something called list comprehension. It's a way you can do the exact same thing but with less syntax and on the exact same line. So we don't need append for this because this, I'll just show you now, has the code in the exact same line. So 5 and less equals then this will be kind of like this over here with a for and if. So that is the exact same thing but in this. X for X in friends if len x, if the length of x is smaller or equals 5, then that will all go in this line. Instead of appending it to this line, it's automatically in here because the code is inside this. And that, if we do print 5 and less, that will print. But first I will comment these, because if for commenting, it basically just removes the code. When you run it, it won't show there, and it's still there, but it just won't run until you uncomment it. So if I comment these in Python, you have to go to the back of a line and place a hashtag, but in Visual Studio Code, you can just go there and do Control/ at like any point of the line, like there, Control/. But I don't need to Control/ these because these aren't relevant. They never get printed, and this is the thing that prints them. So then this, if I run that, it will be Benji, Mark, Roham, Ian. And these are the exact same from the list up here. Benji, Mark, Roham, Ian. Does the exact same thing as this over here. So now I will do the next thing, which is the else over here. For the else, it's a bit different because you can't really do the else. You have to do something different. So what I'm going to be doing is obviously more than 5 equals x for x in friends if the length with len of it, length of x bigger than 5, because the next list is anything else, and everything else is bigger than 5. So now, if I change that to more than 5, now when I print it, it will show the exact same results from this over here, which was this. Exact same results. And that is the updated version of that, which makes it much more simple. So if I removed all of this, then I could change it. So if I did control slash, and so on until that, which I skipped that part so it would be easier for you guys. But the problem is now, you see if I run it, will be an error saying name friends is not defined, because friends is not defined. So friends, these are added from the list of friends, and I just commented that. So to undo that, I'll just quickly copy and paste that, then put that there. You don't need to do this, so you don't need to copy and paste this. You can just uncomment this, but for the purpose of having 2 separate things, I'll make another one. And also for the print, I'll also do print the first one, which is less. No, actually it's 5 and less. Then that is printing it, and now if I run it, it will work the exact same way. And also, like the other one, I'm going to put another print of this print friends. So if I run that, it will become this exact same as the top here. So that is it for today's video and the add-on for that. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.